it going? My name is James, and welcome to the channel. And today we're going to be going down to Denver and driving a Lamborghini Gallardo. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going to bring you along for the experience and just give you my thoughts and opinions on it. And yeah, so let's head down there.
Yeah. Yeah.
So here she is, guys. Lamborghini Gallardo. This one is the e-tronic version, but it's got a V10. It's a really nice car. Sounds really good. It's got an aftermarket exhaust on it. There is the beautiful V10. Alright guys, this is what the interior looks like. It kind of just looks like a standard Audi, to be honest, but it's nice. This color scheme, and this one is a paddle shift automatic e-tronic, so you can have it in automatic mode or in the paddle mode. Air Star $100 a night, here I come. car definitely is fun and very fast. And it's really not that uncomfortable like a lot of automotive journalists will talk about how uncomfortable these are. I mean, it's not the best riding, but it's definitely, you know, I drive semis on dirt roads all day long, so it's a big difference for me. And man, there's nothing like the sound of that V12 or V10. That is definitely a good sound. Alright guys, we just got back from doing the test drive, or doing the ride in the Lamborghini, and that was great. It was really fun. These guys are great. Definitely give a shout out to Roman and Ryan. They're two brothers that run this place. They were awesome. They treated me great, and the car was great. We had a very, very fun time. Some really nice cars, so come and check them out. I'll put the link down in the description, and you guys have a good day. Thanks. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Here's a screenshot of their website, Drives at Mile High. And this isn't a sponsored video. I just really enjoyed the experience. And if you could, let them know how you found them by my video and that James sent you.